I'm gonna teach you the fastest counter in point fighting. What's great about this kick counter is you don't need to be flexible, but you do need to be fast. Let me show you. Have you ever fought a kicker so unpredictable they're hard to get around? This kick counter is designed with that in mind. It doesn't matter where your opponent's kicking, what matters is timing. As they bring their leg back in, you're gonna turn, spot the opening, chamber, and hook kick to the open area. The key to this technique is timing. Too soon, and you're getting dodged. Too late, and you're getting kicked. When done properly, what makes this effective is that it closes off your point area, opens up your opponents, but none of that matters if you're not fast.
You need to spin faster than your opponent can extend their leg.
This one's tough to train on your own, but you know I got you, so we're gonna use the heavy bag. Usually, we can start with just breaking it down, doing it step by step, and learning your positioning. Once you get the hang of it, I would practice reaction time. I usually just search random interval beeps on YouTube. That way you have an auditory noise that you react to for your spin kicks.
We hope this helped. Let us know if you learned something new. And don't forget to
like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.